Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's all about pharmacy. Today I'm sharing here a disease from sedative hypnotic chapter. You can see this in a pharmacology and toxicology subject book. Many times on this point questions are asked in theory based exams. So in this video I'm telling about all the causes, symptoms and treatment as well. So watch the video till the end. First, see the causes of barbiturate poisoning. It can cause through first accidental overdose consumption. The overdose consumption of drugs which included in class barbiturates like example phenobarbital, cyclobarbital. Second, through suicidal intention. Third, medication error. Medication error many times cause when self-medication is carried out by the patient. Next, see what are the symptoms: rapid pulse, cold skin, dilation of pupils, and shallow breathing. Next, see the treatment or next step when barbiturate poisoning is caused. First one is a gastric lavage. If patient is unconscious, a simple wash is, that is a gastric lavage, is performed. If patient is conscious within 4 hours of injection, patient can be induced vomiting with concentration salt solution. In gastric lavage, you can simply say it is the stomach wash treatment. In stomach wash or gastric lavage treatment, many times emetics are given to the patient so that patient induced vomiting with the concentration salt solution and also came out the poison. And this is the effective treatment also. Second is endotracheal intubation, in which if respiration is affected, oxygen can be given by nasal catheter. Endotracheal intubation is performed when spontaneous respiration is inadequate. If respiration is affected, at the time simply nasal catheter is used, but when the patient feels unconscious or he is unable to breathe properly, at that time endotracheal intubation is given to the patient. Here I am sharing a diagram so that you will get the idea. Here you can see firstly laryngoscope is firstly administered into the mouth so that the root is get cleared, and then the intubation tube is introduced into the trachea. Through that the artificial oxygen is given to the patient. This is the only endotracheal intubation. Next, forced diuresis. Diuretic is given to increase urinary excretion of barbiturate, like example mannitol, urea. Diuretics are given to the patient so the barbiturate is get excreted through the urine. Alkalization of urine. Alkalization of urine increase poison elimination by the administration of IV sodium carbonate. Next, administration of IV fluid. Forced diuresis may cause dehydration, so administration of fluid is advised. Normal saline solution with dextrose is used for this purpose.